Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by logging into Fiverr and going directly to your profile settings. Once done, make sure your email is verified and remove any two-step blocks that prevent edits, because Fiverr restricts URL changes otherwise. Next, open the Profile tab. This is where your public link lives. You'll see your current URL field. Do not hit Save yet. Instead, prepare the new handle in a plain text editor to avoid formatting errors, and ensure it follows Fiverr's username rules before you continue. Now you edit the profile URL directly. Click the pencil or edit icon next to the public link. You type a concise, brand-aligned handle. Use letters, numbers, and hyphens only because Fiverr blocks special characters. Once you enter a candidate, Fiverr validates availability instantly. If it's taken, tweak it using numbers or a short modifier. Make sure it's memorable and consistent with your gig names. After validation, pause to review capitalization and spacing choices. Fiverr saves the exact handle you submit. Finally, save your changes and reload your public profile to confirm the new URL is active. This verifies the redirect and prevents dead links. Once confirmed, update your social bios and gig descriptions to match the new link so clients find you consistently. If the change fails, clear browser cache and cookies, attempt from another browser or device, and retry. If still blocked, contact Fiverr support with screenshots because account-specific restrictions or recent changes can require manual intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.